Good afternoon from our office in Sacramento. It's Thursday, December 5th. It certainly felt like winter this morning as the cold snap began. The current hard freeze warning is still in effect through 9 a.m. Friday morning for areas generally below 2,000 feet. We expect more winter weather to impact interior Northern California through next Tuesday, December 10th, with snow accumulations and more cold temperatures. If you follow us on social media, use the hashtags ColdSnap and/or CASnow for this event. CA meaning abbreviation for California. Looking at our latest weather story graphic, most impacts with this cold storm will be low elevation snow late Friday through Saturday. As a result, we have a winter storm warning in effect for most areas above 500 feet from late Friday afternoon into Saturday. Most snow accumulation will begin around 500 feet, with northern areas dropping slightly lower, possibly down to around 250 feet or so. Expect hazardous travel with major delays. With the low snow levels, many miles of roadways could be impacted with accumulating snow, especially Interstates 5 and 80 and U.S. Highway 50. Potential exists for a valley snow just beyond the Redding area. The last time the valley floor, like Sacramento, had snowfall was exactly 4 years ago on December 7, 2009. Even though areas throughout much of the valley floor saw snow in 2009, very little to nothing accumulated. This is an image that was issued by the National Weather Service's Weather Prediction Center and is a 24-hour probability of snow accumulation of greater than or equal to 1 inch. This graphic shows about a 50% probability of at least an inch of snow accumulation near the dark blue shaded areas, which we have depicted in the white line. For instance, the line passes through Red Bluff, Chico, Roseville, and farther down the east edge of the valley, as well as into northern Lake County. Here's an image of possible snow accumulation forecasts for late Friday into Saturday from our office in Sacramento. Even though snow accumulation shows 0 across much of the valley, snowfall could still occur, especially in the northern and eastern portions. The ground temperatures may still be warm enough to melt the snow before it can accumulate. In any case, be prepared for some snowfall Friday night into Saturday. Notice the 15-18 inches of snowfall over the higher Sierra, as you see on Donner Pass with 18.4 inches. Following the cold front that will likely bring some snow, anticipate another potential hard freeze, especially overnight Saturday and Sunday nights. We expect Saturday night into Sunday to be the coldest, with valley temperatures to range from 15 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The foothills, which is roughly 1,000 to 3,000 feet, 10 to 15 degrees, and the higher mountains from a -8 to 15 degrees. These cold temperatures will depend on the strength of the northerly winds. Winds act to mix the air and keeps nighttime temperatures relatively warmer, so where there's less wind, temperatures are able to get colder. The following day, Sunday night into Monday morning, will still bring more freezing temperatures to the valley, although not quite as cold. We expect valley temperatures to range from 19 to 32 degrees, the foothills 17 to 30 degrees, and the higher mountains from near 0 to 25 degrees. Again, these cold valley temperatures will depend on the strength of the winds. Enjoy the rest of your day and the coming weekend, but please be careful out there, as we'll have the cold temperatures and I'm sure we'll have rough driving conditions due to the snow. Protect the 4 P's: people, pets, and/or livestock, plants, and pipes. Follow us on our webpage and our social media. And again, please use the hashtags CASnow and/or ColdSnap to reference this weather event. Thank you for tuning in.